Alright, so this morning I'm going to finish painting the brake caliper, brembos. There's a lot of cheap methods that you can do it. Primary one would be, there's a website called carid.com. In that website, the front brake calipers, $60. The rear ones, they go about 30, I think like 30 some dollars. And I talked to one of the guys that works there. Before I even bought anything on that website, I wanted to make sure that you could return the 2-piston core calipers for the 4-piston core calipers, because obviously, you know, they're not the same. Now the guy did, he did tell me unloaded calipers. So basically, they don't come with the hardware. You return your core, and they do accept the 2-piston calipers that your car has if you want to upgrade. I believe once they get their core back, it takes about 3 business days for them to issue you your refund. So you will be getting back your $130 $140, however much it is in total. You're gonna need the brakes, pads, the rotors. I give it estimate about $220. The calipers $140, $130, depending on where you buy it. I got mine at O'Reilly's, but only because I know somebody there did a price match for me, and they came out to like $70 for each caliper. So that's I believe 140. So do a brake upgrade. You know, your rotors are worn, your brake pads are worn out. I would highly recommend you doing an upgrade to the from 2-piston to the 4-piston brake caliper. It's only another, I don't know, it's only another $140 that you can spend, plus the $60 with the paint and stuff, because you do need a paint. That's the only downside, is the manufacturer is not going to paint the calipers for you. But in my case, I went high gloss on like bright yellow. And I think it would look actually really nice with the kind of theme that I'm kind of going with my car, which I kind of want it all blacked out. But I would love to see those brembo brakes stand out, you know, when I'm going to like a car meet or whatever. Not the best job, but it will do. I'm going to prime this shit first. I got this little hook that I got for these paint buckets, and I used it as leverage so I could paint it. That way I could get it all around. But these are remanufactured brembo calipers, and it's the cheapest way to have a brake kit for your vehicle. So I had to create this little plank thing because I had no other place to spray paint this shit, and I just fucking screwed it on, but it's gotta work. Alright, so I applied 2 light coats and 1 medium coat. It was a little bit tricky getting all the edges, especially in the bottom, but this caliper turned out pretty great. This other one came out alright, but I had a little bit of runs here and there. I tried to fix them, but I mean, there's only so much I can do. The back part is ugly, but front part is good, so I'm okay with that. My temperature clear coat that I'm going to be applying, as you can see, it says up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit. There is a cure procedure, but I probably won't be doing that. But it does say you have to, you know, heat it up and then let it cure for 30 minutes, and then doing it again over and over.
I'm not sure how many coats I will be applying of this. Maybe 2, 3, depending how much gloss I want. These are the Brembo decals that I bought off of Amazon. They have two big ones for the front and 2 small ones for the rear. Product. Basically, I sprayed 1 light coat to avoid, any drips or anything like that, and then I applied a heavy coat. I applied it twice because I just don't want it to be falling off with the heat. 2 heavy coats just so it could look super glossy. So you do have to apply the clear coat after you attach the Brembo decal. So I mean, it looks alright. It's not the best job that I've done, mostly because it was used out of a spray can, and well, this is what you get. I mean, I would love to what's it called, coat it, but I don't have the money, I don't have the equipment to do it myself, and well, yeah. Damn, look at these rotors, man. The guy at the tire shop warped them. I told him not to over torque them. This guy put like 200 pounds of torque on each nut. This paint is from G2 or G8, I forgot. It's pretty good, really high resistant, but a lot of orange peel. It's brushed on, so it's ugly. Ooh. Looking good. These custom headlights, you want to see the tutorial video, go check out my channel. Oh, it looks great.